Hello, everyone, and welcome to Codex Masterclass. It's 2024. You prompt AI to write emails. It's 2026. Now you can have a team of AI agents in Codex that can build dashboards, create PowerPoint slide presentations. It can analyze data in spreadsheets and complete hours of knowledge work autonomously. If you don't believe me, let me show you what Codex can do for you today. So here I got Codex open, and please note that in the masterclass, I'm gonna show you exactly how to download it, how to set it up. This is just a quick demo to get you excited about this tool. So basically, Codex here is the agentic AI capability that is powered by OpenAI. You talk to it here in plain English, you give it a goal, and then a team of AI agents can go and do whatever it takes to achieve that goal for you. So let's assume that you wanted to start a new coffee shop. And what we want is we want to use Codex to deploy three AI agents. One of them is going to be a researcher agent that is going to look up three coffee shops available in Toronto. These are the three coffee shops here. I want the agent to go open the browser, look up all these different coffee shops, tell me what's their brand voice, and tell me how can I basically compete in this space. Afterwards, I want to have another agent that is going to be the brand designer agent that is going to create my logo. It's going to come up with the colors as well for the brand and will also create a hero image as well for my website. Afterwards, the third agent is going to be a front end developer agent that is going to create a landing page for our coffee brand. It's going to put all the image there. It's going to also create all these different sections. And really, all I need to do is to copy all that prompt. And of course, all this information is included as part of the course package. You just copy and paste them here, and you just click run. And you have to wait maybe for a few minutes. And what you see right now, you will see a team of AI agents taking action basically on your behalf, creating or developing websites, a designer that is designing the logo, designing the brand colors. And it's going to take a few minutes. So let me show you what that here look like. So what you notice is that Codex will start to analyze basically your intent. It's going to deploy a team of AI agents for you. And our brand that we chose here is going to come from Costa Rica. And the brand name is going to be Pura Vida, which means pure life. So what you see right now is that you have Codex, which has a built-in browser, basically. And now you should see it starts to open other websites, other competitor websites, like let's say Pilot Cafe. We have Balzac's here, with these are common websites available in Toronto, Canada. You can see it started to open Neo Coffee Bar, and it's basically trying to see what colors, for example, for their brand. What is their brand voice? How can we differentiate ourselves? And this is the first agent, which is the researcher agent looking at the competition first. And then after this agent is done, we're going to have another agent, and that will be our designer agent that is going to create the brand colors, going to create the logo, and so on. And the third one is going to be another agent that is going to build our landing page for us as well. Please note that this is going to take a few minutes, but let me show you because I ran the exact same prompt before. So this is simply what I ran here before. And look at this incredible logo that was created. This is the logo here for Pura Vida. You can see this is going to be the hero image and all of that using the creative imagination of Codex and artificial intelligence in general. You can also see it designed here a cup for us and also came up with the Pura Vida Coffee Co. And think of it as the bags as well, designs and colors. And now let me show you the landing page that was created. So now you can see a Pura Vida Coffee Co. HTML was created. And look at this landing page. Coffee, Pura Vida Coffee Co. You can scroll down. You can see that tagline here. You can see the brand as well, logo. If you keep going, you can see a menu built for slow mornings and bright afternoons. You can also see here all the um, colors. You can see all the images here have been embedded. And this is a fully functioning landing page that captures our brand voice. And that's pretty much all I wanted to share with you right now, just for you to imagine what the capabilities of Codex could be. Please note that you can and we will build games together. We'll build landing pages. We're going to learn what we call them plugins and skills. We'll also learn how to create automations to automate work end to end. We will also learn how to build other AI agents as well together. With that, that's all I have for this quick intro video. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next one.